Hey, what's going on, Flash Mob? I hope everyone's staying safe and out of trouble. Today, I want to unbox the new kid on the block, the M1 Mac Mini. Run the intro. If it's your first time here, welcome. My channel is all about helping you turn your passion into a paycheck. The way I do that is by helping you discover new things, helping you do better business, and help you avoid a lot of the mistakes that I made. So if that's what you're into, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss another video. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing and see what we get with it. Satisfying. So this is obviously the unit itself. We'll get back to this in a moment. Gives you a little booklet with, of course, some Apple stickers, some information, whatever. We never really care about this, so I'll put it to the side. And it looks like the only other thing that comes with it is the power cable, which, I mean, makes sense. Nothing too crazy about this, just a regular old computer. Ah, yeah. Whoa. Almost dropped it. So there it is, M1 Mac Mini. To be honest, I thought it was a little bit smaller. It's kind of big, but I'm not really complaining about the size at all. Compared to my other computer over here, it's definitely way smaller. It's gonna take up a lot less space on my desk. Let's move this all to the side. Just stand this up for a bit. So I decided to go with the 16 gigabytes of RAM and 512 gigabytes of storage, just because I know I wanted a little bit more internal storage than my previous computer. And from the reviews that I watched before, they said 16 gigabytes is more than enough. I mean, if they could have gotten more, I would have definitely gotten more, but I maxed it out at 16 gigs. We're definitely gonna take this through the ringer for the next couple of weeks and just see just how well it actually performs under heavy usage. So I was running with the Mac Pro for the last, I don't know how many years, but it came out in 2013 and I was really due for an upgrade, to be honest. That one had 32 gigabytes of RAM and I believe 256 gigabytes of internal memory. I don't know anything about the graphics card and I'll probably throw it up on the screen somewhere, but all in all, it was a beast of a computer at the time. But again, after looking at a lot of the reviews on this M1 chip, a lot of these reviewers were just saying that based on the actual chip itself and what it's capable of doing to run the computer, it's an absolute monster when it comes to digital editing and things like that. So that's what really pushed me to get a new computer. I'm really interested to see how this computer handles R3D files, especially in 5 and 8K. I mean, the next couple of projects that I have up is gonna be, you know, kind of big ones that are gonna require a lot of editing. So I'm gonna try and do everything on it and just see how the computer really handles that kind of stress. And then from there, I'll probably make another review, just talking about it in more detail and just give my opinion on if this is something you should get or not. With the configuration I got, it came to about 1,300 Canadian, which is actually amazingly good based on what this computer is capable of. So, I mean, if you're in the market of looking for a new computer and price is something of a concern, I would say maybe look at this as one of your first options. One other thing that I do want to bring to your attention is that this did not come with anything else. Like you guys just saw, it came with a power cable and that's about it. You are gonna need a keyboard, you are gonna need a mouse, and you are gonna need a monitor to run this thing. So keep that in mind when you're putting together your budget for something like this. One thing I know for sure that I'm gonna love is just how much smaller it is than my other computer. You guys can see it, look at this. Way smaller, way cooler. So from what I've been hearing is that it uses a lot less power also to run it. It's gonna be pretty good. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna end the video. I'm gonna power it up and, you know, like I said, take it through the ringer, see what it's capable of. In a few weeks, I'm gonna put out an official review on how my experience was with it. But until then, guys, just remember to look, learn, and share. Take it easy, guys. Peace.